English teacher sa umaga, music conductor naman sa gabi, na pagsasabay ng 31 years old na si Rico Solero ang pagiging guro at kasalukuyang trainer ng Special Program in the Arts Curriculum for Students with Talent in Singing sa Camarines Sur National High School.
Eventually, umalis yung conductor namin, pumunta ng Manila. Tapos, they selected a new trainer. I was in second year college that time. And I was appointed as the new conductor. So doon nag-start yung pag-train ko I was 19 years old that time. And doon pa ako nag-start. And then I became the conductor and the trainer of the group for 10 years.
Dahil na rin sa pagkahilig sa musika, taong 2020, kasagsagan ng pandemya nang maisipan niyang bumuo ng grupo ng mga awit mula sa iba't ibang universidad sa Camarines Sur, ang Coro Bicolano.
When we decide on things, for example, when we want to join competitions, we consult each other, we help each other. I mean, we wanted to create music together and to achieve many things together. And I think yan yung pagkakaiba ng grupo namin.
Kamakailan lang nang sumali ang grupo sa international competition sa Busan, South Korea na hindi naging madali dahil kinailangan nilang makalipo ng pondo. Nagsagawa ang koro ng concert sa mga simbahan. Dumating naman ang hindi inaasahang tulong mula kay Camarines Sur Governor Luigi Villafuerte.
He gave us 700,000 pesos because we went to him, tapos hihingi lang sana kami ng small amount of money, and then we had a letter, and then we talked to him, and then he asked us to sing. Tapos nung kinantahan namin siya, I think he was impressed also, not only by our voices and our songs, but I think he was able to see the pure intentions in our hearts that we really wanted to go international, to represent Camarines Sur and the Bicol region too.
Kaya labis na lang ang tuwa ng grupo nang makuha nila ang gold diploma sa dalawang kategorya na pop and a cappella at classical mixed and equal category sa Busan Choral Festival and Competition noong October 17 to 21 sa Busan, South Korea.
Nandun talaga yung struggle in balancing time with myself, syempre.
Yun yung trinabaho namin ng almost, ng mga 8 months. Yung pagod, yung hirap, nandun na, yung binuhos na namin dun.
Ever since I joined the group, I really love and parang na-appreciate ko yung choral music and choral singing with this kind of people po.
Nabigyan kami ng opportunity na to go abroad and ipakita yung kung paano kami mag-perform as a group.
Hindi man nila nakuha ang pinakamataas na award, isang karangalan na para sa kanilang nagsisimula pa lang na grupo na maipakita ang talento ng mga Bicolano at dalhin ang pangalan ng ating bansa.
Kami po ang Coro Bicolano. Patuloy niyo po kaming suportahan sa aming objective to promote music, choral music in the Bicol region, and to make the youth aware of this beautiful kind of arts. And maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
May Di Maano, CSN.